Okay guys, I haven't found any squirrels today. I found one and I'm hearing all these noises. So, I don't know. I don't know if it's the weather. It's wintertime, it's about 38 degrees outside. Hang on, let me fix the camera real quick. I've been out here a really long time in the freezing cold. And honestly, this ain't doing nothing, so I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Come back tomorrow. We'll see. I'm walking back to my house now. I saw a squirrel. I didn't kill it because it was too fast. It was on the other side of the tree, so I couldn't get it. I might just end up coming back later, killing it. Sorry guys. My phone is starting to slide. I have it in my pocket. Yeah, I have it in my pocket, so I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it. But I can hear the squirrels. I can hear a lot of them. Just can't find any. I hear them. It's like they're taunting me or something. I don't know. Very tired. Very cold. I figured I'd film the part of me walking home. But that happens on some hunts. You go hunting, you can't find anything. I think I got here real early, that's the problem. I thought it'd be easy if I got up real early like normal hunts, but nope. I've learned my lesson today. On weekends I'll go hunting, and I'll film it too. Oh crap, my bag is down there. Guys, I almost forgot my bag. I did forget my bag. I don't know where it is. I know one thing, I need my bag. I see it. But yeah, I couldn't find anything. So I'm just gonna call it a day and go back. Here at J&J Outdoors, we don't hide any footage. Everything we do, we record. The reason it's called J&J, I don't think we mentioned it, but my dad's name is Jason, and my name is Jason. So, J&J, you know? But couldn't find anything. Even that squirrel that was taunting me, phone fell out. I don't think my phone's gonna stay. Hang on a minute. Yeah, but I'm sorry, guys. I really would like to get a squirrel for you. But, I mean, it happens. You know? Not my fault. Squirrel just ain't wanting to cooperate today. Neither is my equipment. There we go. But it happens. I'm not gonna say I'm a bad hunter or anything. I'm actually a really good hunter, but I mean, it happens, you know? So I'm just gonna end the video there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.